Hi everyone, Todd with TopperEZLift. When you order your kit, it comes with a standard topper tape. One thing about standard topper tape, over time it can break down and sand and dirt can get in there and it can leak. It's a cheaper product, you can replace it, you can get it through us too, but there is a better alternative. It's a double bubble seal, and basically it just replaces topper tape. You peel the epoxy pad off and you just stick it on there. It's more of a permanent solution and provides you with a better seal. Stick it right on. It is kind of pressure sensitive, so you got to hold it down for a little bit. Get the epoxy to kind of get going on here. And then you just trim it to fit. Just like so. Much better seal. All right. Here we go. A better seal.